These nails really remind me, and it makes me think if Elsa wanted to go get her nails done and this is what happened and what set of nails she really got. So like, it's really cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Shanice and welcome to my channel. And if you've been here, hey, this week starts off my December nail tutorials of all December until Christmas. So this is my first Christmas December nail tutorial for you guys this week. So I hope you are excited for the holidays and Christmas to come and all the nail tutorials that I will do each week. But before I get started and you continue watching, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that gray notification bell so you'll be notified for all the other videos that I do this December and always. And also while you're down there, hit the like button, and that is like a gift to me for this year. Just give me some likes and that will be my gift, your gift to me. So let's get started with this video. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with these nails. I prepped my nails and shaped them how I want them and applied my favorite base coat. And since I have fake nails on, I also applied this nice translucent pink color that I made myself, so I can get that human hue of the nail, that light human hue of pink on the nail, top of the fake nail. So I just did one coat of that, and I didn't show this part, sorry, but I used Salon Perfect's Hunty nail polish on top of that, on the whole nail, only on the index finger, middle finger, pinky, and thumb, because we're gonna do like a French tip on that. So we're gonna apply the pink translucent human hue, I call it, first, and then apply Hunty by Salon Perfect on one coat of that to give like a nice like shimmer to it. That's like I call it a secret shimmer, because you can barely see it, but in certain lights you can see it. So apply that on top of that. And then on the wedding finger, I made another translucent color, which I'm going to apply on all of them. But on the wedding finger, I made a translucent blue, and I applied that on the full nail. Then I used that same translucent blue that I made, so the glitters that I'm going to use next have like a base color on the bottom. I'm going to apply that translucent blue on the index finger, middle finger, pinky, and thumb as like a French tip kind of. And we're gonna fade the translucent blue into the translucent pink. So you're gonna grab that translucent blue and just like brush it on quickly. Anything precise, as you can see as I do it, and it only kind of goes from the tip to about the center of the nail, and center down towards the nail. And you want to do that for those 4 nails, but full translucent blue on the wedding finger. Okay, here's the fun part. We're gonna go in with a couple different glitters. So the first glitter that I put on is by Hansen. It's called Something Blue, and we're gonna brush that on quickly, just as like I brushed on the translucent blue, homemade blue colored nail polish that I made. We're gonna brush it on really quickly, and nothing really precise, just brush it all on from the tip to the center. We're gonna do that technique for all the glitters that I do. Brush that on all the French tip nails, and on the wedding finger we're gonna apply that straight on to that nail, the full nail, and really just apply 2 coats of that. And then the next fun glitter I use by Pure Ice. It is called Wide Awake, and this is more like a packed strong glitter, so I really made sure that hardly anything was on the brush, but enough to get it onto the nail. And you want to brush that on only the index finger, pinky, middle finger, and thumb, on only on those, as like I did the others. The next glitter I'm going to apply on top, and all these are just one coat. I am going to apply Sally Hansen Shooting Star on top of every nail. So the index finger, middle finger, pinky, and thumb, we're going to just brush it on like the other glitters, but then on the wedding finger, I'm just going to apply that onto the nail as well, and I did 1 or 2 coats of that. For all those who love holographic nail polish, I am one of them, and I applied Revlon's Holographic Pearl onto all the nails. So on the index finger, middle finger, pinky, and thumb, I brushed it on like the rest, 1 coat, and then on the wedding finger, I really applied that onto the whole nail, 1 to 2 coats of that. Gonna let the French tip main 4 dry a little bit, because we're gonna apply some snowflakes on there, do some nail art on those, so I'm gonna make sure it's really dry. So then I went to the wedding finger and I applied some dark blue nail diamond jewels onto the nail, and I applied it from the cuticle, and I made like a curvature look to it from the cuticle and up towards the left side of the nail. It's curved up towards that, so I applied those blue diamond jewel nail beads onto the wedding finger, as you'll see here. Okay, so you got that done, and now it's time for some snowflake nail art. So I drew some snowflakes on the index finger, middle finger, pinky, and thumb. So it's very self-explanatory. I wanted the snowflakes to be small, nothing big or nothing, because I really wanted the glitter be the main focus. So I drew small snowflakes. Mostly I drew half of the snowflake, so on the side of the nail or the corner part of the nail, I drew half of the snowflake, or you can draw the whole snowflake, but make sure it's small. That's what I did on the index finger. I did a small snowflake on that one, but then I drew half snowflakes on the edge of each nail. Drawing all the snowflakes, and it looks great. The snowflakes don't have to be very precise and perfect, so that's good. And so by the cuticles of these nails, I'm going to get a clear diamond nail bead, and I'm going to apply that on the center by the cuticle of each of those 4 nails. And then once you have done all of that, you're done, and you just have to apply your favorite top coat of your choice. And I applied my favorite, which is Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat, and I apply that to each nail. This is how my first nails for Christmas turned out. I hope you like them. I really enjoyed doing this week's nail tutorial. I think it came out really great. I love the snowflakes and I love the shimmer glitter aspect of this whole nail tutorial. I hope you liked it too. And this is your cue to give me a like down below if you like my nails that I did this week, if you like nails in general, if you like Christmas and the holidays. Give me a like, please. Also share this, please, so others can see this nail tutorial. So go ahead and share it down below, and while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.